permutation under certain conditions. So we have to do now same word problems. We are again coming back, but this time we have certain conditions are with us. We have done a certain question on conditions earlier also, but this time the conditions on alphabets we are going to work more on it. Numbers we have done that it will be between 3000 to 4000, even number, odd number, that we have done. Now we are coming on alphabets, how to arrange with certain conditions. So write down first question, please. In how many ways the letters of the word, in how many ways the letters of the word failure to be arranged that each word start with F, such a way that each word starts with F. First question is the starting word will be F. How many words are there in which the start will be by F?
Repetition.
No. Repetition is not given in the question. जितने लेटर है वही आपको अरेंज करने हैं, तो कहीं कोई रिपीटेशन नहीं है. अगर हम कहेंगे तब आप रिपीट करेंगे. नंबर्स में अगर कुछ नहीं बोला जाता है इसका मतलब रिपीट करिए. यहाँ कुछ नहीं बोला जाता इसका मतलब रिपीट नहीं करना है. Failure. F is the start should be given. 3, 3, 6 and 1 7 letter word to be formed. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Start word is already decided.
7.
So this can be done by one way.
7.
Yes or no? First one is F is the starting word is fixed. Now have I 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are there. This place can be fixed by how many ways? 6 ways. Then 5.
Sir?
4. Haji.
Sir, I got disconnected, sir. अभी आपने क्या कराया?
I have started the new topic, permutation under certain condition. In that first question we have taken, that is the word we are taking failure. The letters of the word failure to be arranged. The letters of the word failure to be arranged such a way that the word should start with F. Word should start with F. As they say, word starts from F means it is fixed. Remaining are 6 letters are there, so it will be 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Whatever the letters here, we are arranging them. यहाँ double नहीं है तो हम double use नहीं करेंगे. So it will come out to be factorial 6. How much it is? 720. Second part of the question starts with F, end with E. Starts with F, end with E. Second question, the word starts with F but end with E.
Sir, 120.
Yes, please. 7 letter word again. Start will be with F, end with V with E. So this is done by one way, this is done by one way.
Factorial 5.
Yes, left is 5 only. So we will say it will be 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. So it will come out to be factorial 5. Your answer is 150. Another question, please. Find again same word I am taking. Arrange the letters of the word failure so that A and I always come together. A and I always come together. A और I एक साथ आने चाहिए. I A हो सकता है, A I हो सकता है, but A और I हमेशा साथ आएंगे. That is the question we have. A and I comes together.
6 factorial and 2 factorial.
Yes, how we do it? In that case, when they want this to be taken as one, we will count this as a single letter. इन दो लेटर की जगह आप एक लेटर काउंट करेंगे कि ये जहां भी मूव करेगा साथ मूव करेगा. So 1, then left is F, L, U, R, and E.
6.
So one letter, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have actually 6 letters to be arranged now because this is taken as a single letter. So first I'll say the arrangement will be done by factorial 6. क्योंकि places कितने हो गए अब? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it will be 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. But now one more thing is there. A and I you have taken. I and A can be also possible. I told you they remain together. तो ये आपस में भी अपने आप को एडजस्ट करेंगे. ये कितने वे से एडजस्ट कर सकते हैं? 2 लेटर का वर्ड है. How many ways they will adjust? First can be done by 2 ways and second will be by 1 way. यहाँ A आ सकता है, I आ सकता है और जो यहाँ आ गया वो दूसरा यहाँ लिया है. So we will say it will be answer factorial 6 into factorial 2. Second, third question we have done. Now fourth question, please. Yes.
Can you explain it once again?
Okay.
वो 2 into
Yes, factorial 6 is there. In this case, it is factorial 6. This is factorial 2. Why it is factorial 2? Because in this question you have taken A and I together. पहली बार आपने A और I को एक साथ लिया, तो आपके कितने केस बने? factorial 6. उसके बाद आप नेक्स्ट केस में इसको I और A करके सिंगल लेटर लोगे, तो वापस आपके factorial 6 बनेंगे. इसका मतलब टोटल केसेस हो गए ट्वाइस ऑफ factorial 6. या फिर आप क्या कहेंगे? फैक्टोरियल 6 तो आपका टोटल हो ही गया था, ये आपस में कैसे एडजस्ट करेगा? जितना एडजस्ट करेगा उतने टाइम्स रिजल्ट हो जाएगा. ये आपस में कैसे एडजस्ट करेगा? आई और ए, ये 2 लेटर का वर्ड है. हाउ मेनी वेज दे विल एडजस्ट? फर्स्ट कैन बी डन बाय 2 वेज, सेकंड कैन बी बाय 1 वे. सो इट विल बी फैक्टोरियल 6. फैक्टोरियल 6 इनटू फैक्टोरियल 2 या फिर इस तरह से. क्लियर? Yes.
सर ये तो समझ में आ गया. 2 factorial 6 होता है सर. I understood 2 factorial 6 आ गया, फिर उसके बाद में factorial 6 into factorial 2.
ये लिखो या ये लिखो, एक ही बात है. ये आप 2 times factorial 6 लिखो.
अच्छा ये सब वो 2 into 1 कर देंगे तो.
हाँ, और या फिर ये 2 into 1 कर दो, तो वही बात आ गई.
Yes sir. Okay sir.
इसी में अगर एक और क्वेश्चन मैं ले रहा हूं, A will be always next to I. Next part, A is always next to I. A is always next to I. Means
Last.
I के बाद A आना चाहिए.
Factorial 6.
यही हुआ, आई एन ए हुआ. इसका मतलब अब की बार इसको इंटरचेंज नहीं कर सकते आप. इस बार इसने आई ए एक साथ लिया है. आई इज द फर्स्ट वन, देन ए विल बी द सेकंड वन. सो इट विल बी 1 2 3 4 5 6. सो इट विल बी डन बाय फैक्टोरियल 6. सीधा आंसर आएगा.
सभी को लेकिन लास्ट प्लेस में नहीं ला सकते क्योंकि उसके बाद
क्यों लास्ट प्लेस में? क्यों? ये सिंगल यूनिट यहाँ आ जाएगी. आइए, we are not saying that anyway. Next part please. Same question, same letter, what you are taking. How many words are there in which the vowels come together? How many words are there in which the vowels come together?
the 5 factorial.
How many words are there in which vowels come together? Vowels एक साथ आने चाहिए. Vowel हैं कितने भाई? A is here, I is here and U is here. and E is also here. These will be counted as a single letter now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then left is what? F, L, and R. Is it right? Then how many?
Factorial 4.
1, 2, 3, 4. First will be factorial 4. Because 4, 3,
Factorial
2,
4
1.
into 4.
And now this will be arranging themselves. ये कितने way से arrange करेगा? 1, 2, 3, 4 places are there and 4 letters are there. So again 4, 3, 2 and 1. So what it will come? Factorial 4 into factorial 4 is that. Understood now?
Sir, 676.
Whatever it is. 24 into
Yes, sir.
24. Next part. Vowels together, consonant together. Vowels together, consonant together.
Factorial 2 into 2. Factorial 2 into factorial 2.
Factorial 2 into?
Factorial 2.
No.
Factorial 2 into factorial 4.
Factorial 2 into factorial 4. No. और कुछ रह गया?
Factorial 4 into factorial 3 into factorial 2.
Yes. पहला काम ये एक लेटर काउंट होगा, ये एक लेटर काउंट होगा. So we will have one unit this and this second unit. ये दोनों आपके एडजस्ट कैसे होंगी? Factorial 2 से. दो places, दो letter. Then these can change themselves. They can arrange themselves. How many ways? 4, 3, 2, and 1. And these can arrange themselves. What it will be? 3 into 2 into 1. So I got it factorial 2 into factorial 4 into factorial 3. That way the answer is. First count this as a single letter. This is a single letter. So 2 letters are there. How many ways you arrange it? Factorial 2. Then these can adjust themselves. How many ways we do it? Factorial 4. And these can adjust themselves. It will be factorial 3. So we will say factorial 2 into factorial 4 into factorial 3. So 6 into 24 into 2. You can solve it, you get your answer. Next question, please. How many words, again the same, in which relative position of vowel and consonant remain the same? Vowels and the consonant, their relative position must remain the same. What is the meaning of the question? Can you tell?
Sir, जहाँ पे consonant है, consonant ही रहेगा ना.
Yes. Means whatever the place in this word allotted to vowel should be occupied by another vowel. Whatever place occupied by the consonant should be occupied by another consonant. So means consonant can replace the consonant and vowel can replace the vowel. Means their position remain the same. जहाँ vowel था वो vowel ही रहना चाहिए, जहाँ consonant है वहाँ consonant रहना चाहिए. So relative position of vowel and consonant remains same. देखो भाई, how many letters are there? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the place for consonant. This is for vowel. This is for vowel. This is for consonant. Vowel.
Factorial 3 into factorial 4.
Factorial 3 into factorial 4. Yes. These are the places. How many places for vowel? We have 4 places. And how many vowels are there? 4 vowels. So first place can be filled by 4 ways. Second will be by 3 ways. Then this will be by 2 ways and this will be by 1 way. Then we have how many consonants? 3. 3 consonants. So first place can be filled by 3 ways. This can be done by 2 ways. And this can be done by 1 ways. So what my answer will be? Factorial 4 into factorial 3. That is the answer.
Sir?
Yes.
Sir, why we are not taking the case of repetition?
He is saying use the letters of the word failure. जितने इसके लेटर है उसी को यूज करना है। और मैंने शुरू में ही बोला कि अगर आपका वर्ड बना रहे हैं जिसमें जो लेटर दिए हुए हैं, जो जितनी बार दिए उतनी बार ही आप यूज कर सकते हैं। 7 लेटर का वर्ड है, 7 प्लेसेस हैं, तो किसी का रिपीटेशन हमें नहीं कहा जा रहा है। अगर उसमें हम कहें रिपीटेशन अलाउड, देन वी विल डू इट। तो मैंने कहा था शुरू में बोला है नंबर व्हेन यू आर मेकिंग, व्हेन नथिंग इज गिवन, रिपीटेशन अलाउड। When nothing is given in this question, it is not allowed. Repetition is not allowed. Next question, please. In how many ways 5 children be arranged in a row that 2 children, Ram and Sham, always come together? 5 children are there, in that 2 are Ram and Sham. I want that they should remain together. How many ways you can arrange them?
Sir, 48. 48.
48.
The 4 factorial into this factorial.
Yes. How many are there?
So can you
1,
repeat
2, 3, 4, 5. 5 students are there or 5 children are there. One is Ram, another is Sham. ये दोनों एक साथ चल रहे हैं. They will be sitting together. When they are sitting together, what I should say will take 1, 2, 3, 4. How many ways I arrange it? Factorial 4 ways. And then they themselves can change their places, factorial 2. Okay? Second part of this question, they never come together. They never come together. दोनों एक साथ नहीं आने चाहिए. I don't want Ram and Sham sitting together. Tell the cases which they never come together.
5 minus
So 3 into factorial 4.
total minus this?
3 into
Sir, can you repeat this, please?
Factorial 4.
question says that Ram and Sham should not come together. पहला क्वेश्चन ये था they come together.
5 factorial minus 4 factorial into 2 factorial.
Yes.
So 5 factorial minus 4 factorial into 2 factorial.
Okay. What we do?
Yes, sir. 3 into factorial 4.
Both answers will be correct. Just check here what you want to say. First,
370.
one option is that you take total cases. बिना restriction के total cases निकालो. Total cases हुए आपके factorial 5. From that I subtract those cases in which they come together. How many cases were there in which they were together? We have done just now. What it was? Factorial 4 into factorial 2, if you remember. इन दो को एक साथ लिया था. 1, 2, 3, 4 and they will adjust. This was the answer number 1. Please solve it. What it comes? 120
70.
minus 70.
Sir, नहीं इसमें 20 48 minus correct.
ये 48 है, so it will come out to be 72. There is another option we have to solve this question, that we arrange these 3 persons first. First we arrange these 3 persons. This can be done by factorial 3 ways. Then we have 4 places vacant, where if you place Ram and Sham, they will not come together. Right or no? First we have placed these 3 persons here, 1, 2, 3. Between them there are 4 places. इनमें कोई भी 2 places पे आप राम और श्याम को बिठा दो, you will find they will never come together. So how many ways you can do it now? Into. How many choices Ram has? Ram इन 4 में से कहीं भी बैठ सकता है, तो we will say it will be done by 4 ways. And then the Sham can have only 3 options. जहां राम बैठ गया वहां श्याम नहीं आएगा, तो 1, 2, 3 3 ऑप्शन ये है. Please solve it. 12 into 6, ये भी 72 कह रहा है.